Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by readying the essentials: your Google Home, the TV with Chromecast built in or a Chromecast dongle, and your phone. Make sure all three are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise devices won't discover each other. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign in with the same Google account used on the TV. This alignment lets the Home app pair devices. It enables device discovery and voice control. So now you'll add the TV as a device in the Google Home app. Tap the plus sign, choose Set Up Device, then New Device, and pick your home. The app scans. When it finds your TV or Chromecast, select it. You'll see a short code on the TV. Verify that same code appears in the app. This prevents accidental pairing with neighbors. After confirmation, assign a room and a clear device name so voice commands map accurately to that specific TV. Finish by enabling services and testing voice control. In the Home app, go to Account, Settings, then Services to link video apps like YouTube or Netflix so casting and voice commands work. Once linked, try, "Hey Google, play YouTube on living room TV." If playback fails, make sure the TV is powered and input set correctly, then restart the router, Google Home, or TV. If problems persist, unlink and re-link the TV in the app. That often resolves authentication or discovery glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.